ready to transform neglected properties into profitable gems. Today, we're diving into Propstream to uncover fixer-upper gold mines, and I'll show you how to pinpoint properties with major potential first. Log into Propstream. Let's start by defining our target area. Use the map to zoom into your preferred neighborhood or city once you've selected your area. Click on Filter. Now, let's narrow down our search under Owner. Select Individual to avoid corporate-owned properties, which are often harder to acquire. Next, click on Property Characteristics. Here, you can specify the property type like single-family homes. Crucially, set an age range. Older properties often need more work, so experiment with ranges like 50 years. Now, under MLS Status, make sure to select Off-Market. We want properties that aren't actively listed, signaling potential for motivated sellers. Click on Preforeclosure. Selecting options here can reveal distressed properties ripe for quick flips. Play around with the filters, such as setting the lien amount. Jump to the Vacant tab and select Vacant to find deals. Select the Equity option. The higher the equity, the more likely the owner will be motivated to sell. Once you've applied your filters, Propstream will display a list of potential fixer-uppers. Analyze each property. Look at comparable sales in the area to estimate the after-repair value, ARV, and calculate your potential ROI. That's it. Using these techniques in Propstream will help you find diamonds in the rough. Happy investing!